Welcome to Bebelux, a new generation manufacturer specializing in outdoor mobility products for kids aged 0 to 6. We believe every journey with children should be safe, smart, and effortless. With over 10,000 square meters production area, 8 workshops, 100 plus machines, and 100 plus skilled workers, we achieve a monthly output of 20,000 plus units, delivering speed, quality, and reliability worldwide. Backed by a team of engineers with 20 plus years of industry experience, we develop 2-3 new patented products every year, all with in-house molding to protect your exclusive sales channels. Every product undergoes 100% quality control, from raw material to final packaging. We use eco-friendly materials that meet EU standards, ensuring safety with a maintenance rate of less than 3 per mil. Our factory designs and manufactures all molds to ensure efficient support and product reliability. From raw material selection and mold development to CNC machining and anodizing, every step is completed in-house. We ensure each aluminum component meets high standards of strength, precision, and consistency. Our in-house injection molding facility covers everything from mold design and material formulation to molding and surface finishing. We support a wide range of plastic materials and complex structures, enabling cost-effective, high-volume production with consistent quality and fast turnaround. From fabric sourcing and cutting to sewing and final inspection, all processes are handled within our own factory. Supports a variety of fabric materials and functional requirements. From components to complete solutions, each product undergoes multi-stage quality inspections covering functionality, appearance, and packaging integrity. Custom packaging solutions are tailored to protect your brand and your product, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition every time. With 18 plus years of export experience and clients in 35 plus countries, we provide professional OEM or audit service and are proud to be the trusted factory behind many global brands.